Hey guys, how are you today? Welcome back. I'm Omid. This is a part of English at Home with grammar and intermediate level. What is the topic today? So we have articles. Articles a, an, or the. You know, in English we use a or an before nouns or things that we don't know. They are not familiar for us. For example, we say, I saw a man on the street yesterday. Or I have a car. I need a car. Means I'm talking about a car that you don't know. Or we have the for something that for me and my listener is familiar. I say, I got the car. I'm talking about a car that both of us know it. Now, here we have the difference, small difference, but very, very important in English language. What is the difference between the school or school without article the, or the church or church? What is the difference? It is so easy. Listen. They went to school yesterday. Or we could say, they went to school last Friday. They went to school last Saturday. Who am I talking about? I'm talking about they. They are students. Students go to school without article the. Students go to school to study. They go to school for the main purpose, for studying. Teachers go to school. Listen, teachers go to school as well. They go to teach for their job. But if we say the painter went to the school. Yesterday, the painter went to the school. Why the school? He didn't go to study. No. He went to, for example, paint the wall of the classrooms at the school. He didn't go to school to study. So, if we go to a place for the main job of this part, we could use, we don't use article the. But if we go to a place like church, mosque, school, bank, for different purpose, we use the. We say people go to church to worship God. Okay? But we say the worker went to the church to repair the walls. Or the carpenter went to the church to repair the, I don't know, some parts of the wall that are based on wood. We have this item, don't forget. We have this small, very tiny difference between school and the school, or the church or church. It is very easy, but sometimes we need to know about some grammars that are important. Stay with us for other important grammatical points with English at Home. Have a nice time. Goodbye.